Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are building a set of retractable caster wheels to lift 1,000 pounds when my outfeed table is fully loaded. And this is a demonstration of how the system will work. I will start by attaching heavy hinges to the wood frame for the table. Now you'll see here that I'm using a number 8 screws, which are actually far too small. I didn't have the correct number 12s on hand. I later go back and replace these screws with number 12. I will attach a piece of 3/16 by 2.5 inch flat bar to go from one side to the other. This will lift and lower the wheels. Once I've clamped the flat bar to the hinges are square to each other now, and I can add the rest of the screws. Now, instead of drilling the flat bar to attach to the hinges, I just opted to weld them. This is going to be a permanent installation. Now what I'm doing is I have a set of used steel caster wheels. I've used rubber ones or regular caster wheels in the past, and they develop flat spots in them. And that's why I decided to go with the steel wheels. Here I drill the frame of the table to accept the heavy wall round tubing. I weld flat washers to the hardware to locate the mechanism inside the table. The heads of the bolts will be what activates and lifts the wheels up and lowers the wheels down. I slide the heavy wall tubing through the table. I weld a large washer to the end of the tubing, and this will retain it in the frame, and this is all that is really needed. I take 9-inch long 3/8 turnbuckles and I weld washes on them to pushing them down to a 3/8 bolt. I cut tabs out of 1-inch by 3/16 flat bar. I use turnbuckles so I'll have continuous adjustability. You'll see here on the left side, the one side is completely taller. I mismeasured on a piece of wood. I later go back and correct this. Here I demonstrate how the wrench levers the wheels down and then lifts them back up. This is actually the other side I'm demonstrating after I completed building it. Here I am taking 2-inch OD, 1-inch ID large flat washers. I am welding a large nut inside them. I believe it is a 1/2-inch bolt. And these will be the feet for the table. These are just a very simple adjustable foot that can be added to any table. Here I drill into the frame to allow a spot for the bolt to go into for adjusting the height of the table. Then I just attach with a number 8 construction screw. I hope you enjoy this video. I think this is a relatively simple design that will be sturdy and it should easily lift the weight that I'll put on the table. I will have more videos on this table build as I add tools, do different modifications. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.